Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to get FAB IBAN number. So guys, this is easy. You can do open your Google on your device and search for FAB as you can see here and click on the first result. After that, wait to loading the website guys and scroll down little bit scroll down and click agree. This I pop under, and as you can see here guys, you find the option called IBAN, and I will search for IBAN. As you can see here guys, IBAN generator, and click I found this option. Click your 16 digit number, for example 5 and 6 and 8, and when you write your account number guys, click just generate your IBAN. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon, and subscribe guys.